Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to build an architecture portfolio website on Wix. Wix is a platform that is beginner friendly and you can use for free. So all you will need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you'll be able to create an account using your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once you have signed up, you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. Then you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, all you'll need to do now is tap right where you see Set Up Without AI. After selecting Setup Without AI, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all I want you to do is simply tap on the search bar, and from here, since we are creating an architecture website, we'll simply type it in right here. So you can see right there, architecture firm, architecture blog, architecture lab. You can see there are numerous options that you can select from by simply scrolling down, as you can see right here. So let's say for example, I were to select this option right here. I could simply tap on it, then tap on next. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can enter your website name. So let's say, for example, I will name this Test A. Then I'll tap on next. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page, and from here you'll be able to choose the plugins that you would like to be added to your website. So for example, you can see the blog plugin has been added, the chat plugin, and also Instagram feed. By scrolling down, you can see the other plugins. So since this is a portfolio website, we will be selecting portfolio. If it is a case that you plan on selling courses or so on, you could select online programs. And if also you would like to add a forum, you could select forum. And you can scroll down and you can see the different features that you can add to your website. Once you have added all the features that you want, you can tap on next at the bottom of the page. After selecting next, the next thing I want you to do is tap on begin with a template. After selecting begin with a template, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see numerous beautiful templates that you can choose from. And the thing that I like about these templates are, even if you're a complete beginner, with templates like this, you'll be able to create a stunning website. So for example, if you don't see one that you like right there, you could simply clear right here and you could type in architecture portfolio, or you can type in architecture photographer, and you can see the different options that they provide you with, as you can see right here. So you can scroll down until you see one of your liking. The one that I like at the moment, I would select this one, so I'm going to tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI composes your website. Enter some information here that you would like to be added to your site, and then you could tap on generate site text, and the Wix AI will compose articles and add them to your website. Or what I would recommend you do is simply tap on the X in the top. Then after you have done that, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see plus 50%. After you have done that, at the moment, this is how your website looks, as you can see right here. Now, to start editing your website, all you'll need to do is hover over the section that you would like to change. So let's say, for example, I would like to edit the header section. So I like to change the name right here. All I'll need to do is tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner. After selecting quick edit, from here I can change the name right here if I want. So I could tap right here and I could change the name, as you can see right there. And also you can tap on the X to close out, and from there you can simply tap right where you see the name. So let's say I would like to remove K Martinez, so I'll simply tap right there, then select change text, and from there I could type in whatever I want. So let's say, for example, test A. Then after you have done that, you can tap on the X to close it. And that is the same thing you can do with any section on your Wix website. You can simply hover over the section, tap on quick edit. After you have tapped on quick edit, from there you can choose to, for example, let's say I would like to change this image. I could tap on change right here. After you have tapped on change, from there you could select image. After you have selected image, a pop-up window is going to appear, and if you would like to upload an image from your device, you could tap on upload media, and then from there you could upload an image. But you can also use copyright free images from Wix. So let's say, for example, I would like to use a copyright free image. All I would need to do is simply type it in. Let's say I would like to use this image. I could select it, then tap on change background. After you have selected the image, as you can see right there, it has now changed. And you can also change this image if you want. Once you're finished doing all the changes you want, you can scroll down, you can change the text and so on. And if it is a case that you would like to add something to the page, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on the plus that says add elements, and from there, if you would like to add text, image, video, anything at all, you can simply tap on what you'd like to add and you can drag it into position on the page. Now, to upload your portfolio, all you'll need to do is go to the top left hand corner, right where you see page. You're going to select home. Then from there, you will see all of the pages that are currently on your website. So you can scroll down, you can see all the pages right here. And keep in mind, if you would like to delete a page, all you'll need to do is simply tap on manage pages from the pop-up window. So you could tap on manage pages right there. After you have tapped on manage pages, you can see the pages here. Now, if I would like to delete, or better yet hide a page, now let's say we would like to hide a page. So let's say, for example, I would like to hide the residential page right here. All I would need to do is tap on the three dots in line with the page name. Then from there, you can either choose to hide the page or you can choose to delete the page overall. So for example, I could tap on hide, and then from there the page will be hidden, or I could tap on the three dots and I could choose to delete the page. Now, to edit the portfolio page, all you'll need to do is tap on portfolio pages. Then from there, you could select portfolio. So let's do that real quick, and I'll be showing you how to add your portfolio. So you're going to select portfolio right here. So let's do that. After you have done that, you can see we are now on the portfolio page. So all you need to do is simply scroll down, and this is the mock-up portfolio, as you can see right here. So now to add your own portfolio, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the section. Then you're going to tap on manage projects. After you have tapped on manage projects, there's going to be a pop-up window. And you can see all the sample projects right here that had been added. So all you need to do is simply scroll down, and from there you can delete all these sample projects by simply tapping on the box right here. After you have done that, you could tap on delete selected and you'll be able to delete all of them. And to add your own project, all you'll need to do is tap on new project in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on new project, you can enter the project name right here. Then you'll tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you can add a description if you want. Then you'll tap on next. From there, you can add the project type, date, location. Then you'll tap on next once more. And now you'll be able to upload your project, as you can see right there. Add media to your project, so you could tap on the plus to upload it. Once you're finished, you'll tap on done at the bottom right hand corner to save the changes. And that's how you'll be able to do that. So once you're finished, you can simply tap on save, And you can also edit your collections by going over to the left hand menu option. You could tap on collections, and from there you will be able to organize or create new collections by tapping on the plus right here to create a new collection. And I also want you to pay attention to a few things from the left hand menu option. So for example, you can scroll down and you can see right here, if in the future you would like to do any marketing or SEO, you could hover over this, and from here you can set up Wix email marketing, and you can also use Wix to do social media marketing if you want. And by scrolling down, if you would like to add any other apps, you can hover over apps and you could go onto the Wix app market. And there are numerous apps that you can use in the future if you want. Once you're finished, you'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner, and then you're going to leave this page, and all you'll need to do now is tap on save to save the changes. Then from there you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and that's it. You have now created your free architecture portfolio website using Wix. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.